Really excited about this MPC Streaker Vette. Last time I built this, I was a kid. Seeing this just re-released brought back some great memories. I'm kind of doing a little series of putting together some models that I built when I was a kid. I'm kind of even building them pretty quick just to go on the shelf to relive some childhood memories. Did the 66 flip nose, did the 57 flip nose MPC. There's a couple I'm getting ready to do now. The old Pro, everyone's built the old Pro, and that 55. Let's just get this thing opened up and check it out and get it built. Man, what can I say? I've been waiting for this since I was a little kid. The MPC Streaker Vette. I can't get this thing open fast enough to start building it. Anyway, let's get her open and see what's inside. Oh, yeah. Last time I opened one of these up, I was probably 10 years old. This is reliving some childhood memories, guys. Anyway, let's see what all this kit has inside it. I'll share this with you. Let's start off with the chrome tree. That's what was on top. There's the wheels, grill insert, bumpers. Ooh, them air cleaners are nice. Those are very nice. I like those. The blower, moon tank, more wheels. Nice engine parts right there. Okay, check out the body. Interior tub. It's just basic. This is an old kit. It's been around for forever. But it hadn't been released forever either. Chassis. Simple. Basic. Body looks nice. Got some flash on it. No big deal. Take that off a sanding stick. No big deal. Flash doesn't bother me. What else we got? Got the seats. Headers. Looks like the rear valance. There's the engine. Nice. Just simple and basic. Tail lights. And looks like the front glass and rear glass. Looks like the rear end, dashboard. That goes to the backs of the wheels. Engine compartment. And the hood and some suspension pieces. Along with brakes. Well, these tires look nice. I know this is a big improvement. These tires weren't this nice back in the day because these are pad printed. At least two of them are. These slicks, well, they're kind of got a little bit of a tread on them. These probably were in the kit back in the day. And the front ones are nice pad printed. Those are new. Not bad. And we'll go through the not bad at all. Decal sheet. Okay. Looks like pretty simple instructions. I'd recommend this for a kid. Anyone could build this. Like I said, I built it when I was a kid. Went together just fine. It's a simple, easy kit. And you get a neat kit when you're done with it. Neat build. Something to be proud of. You want to see anything a little bit longer, just put it on pause. Zip through this pretty quick, because everyone likes to see the instructions. See what they're up against, and see what all's in the kit. Alright. Streaker Vette. Nice. Very cool. Gauges. Some more stripes. You can do some other things if you don't want to do the Streaker Vette. License plates. Very cool. Let's get to building on this. Work began with prepping the body to get it ready for paint. I wanted a really cool red color of paint. And I also had to work on getting the hood opened up right there for the engine to stick out. Started gluing up my halves up together. And as the halves were setting up, I started working on getting that hood cut out. Just flip your X-Acto blade around and just start kind of carving through, and eventually you will work your way through. Just take your time on that, and it works every time. And a little sanding stick to take the burr off the edges, and we've got an open hood. Had some mold lines to address on this. Also, the door lines aren't too deep, so I was debating on putting the door lines deeper or not, and I decided not to. That front valance needs to be glued on before you paint it. I remember not doing that as a kid, and I messed up the paint. That piece there was warped, but you're not going to run into an issue because when it glues up into the body, it goes nice and easy and works out great. But get them front and rear valances glued on before you paint it, and that piece put in, and you'll be just fine. There is no more warpage. This kit just went together like a charm. I took the body outside and painted it. Look at that. Just beautiful. I love that paint. It goes on great. I can't say enough about that Tesser's Extreme paint. That one shot. And now it was decal time after the paint had cured after about a day. I didn't use any setting solution or anything. The decals went on just fine. There's my chrome getting stripped. I like putting all my chrome into the purple pond to take everything off. And pretty much getting her wrapped up here. Overnight I let the chassis and everything glue up with a little bit of weight on top. And we've got a finished product. I loved building this Streaker Vette. Again, just brought back a lot of great childhood memories. I built this thing when it very first came out, and such a fun kit. I can't speak enough about this thing and the way it looks. I love fat tires sticking out of the back, side pipes, those wheels. I think everything about this thing just screams 70s. What a fun kit. I recommend it for beginners. I built it as a kid, didn't have a problem with it. I don't know if I'd let a kid with an X-Acto knife cut out the hood, but I did when I was a kid, and I survived it. But let me know down below what you think about this Streaker Vette kit. If you've built it, if you remember building it, if you plan on getting it, I'd like to hear what you have to say. But I had a blast with this, and this is going to sit on the shelf with some of the other ones.
You're looking at all these cool models.
Don't you have a channel? What's your channel? Is your channel Throttle Power?
Yeah, it's where we got the power for the throttle. Is that what it is? Is your channel all about the power?
All about the throttle.
It's all about the throttle. Yeah, I don't pay attention.
Who are you? Is this the guy that cuts the styrene and gets his fingers glued together? This guy glues his fingers together all the time. He's going to show us how he does it. Here we go.
Keep gluing your fingers together and keep hacking. Oh, geez, I screwed it up. Cutting the styrene. And we'll see you on Throttle Power.